This video shows a successful proof of concept for autonomous inspection at Pluspetrol's Pisco plant in Peru using ExRobotics ExR-2 robot. It reaffirms Pluspetrol's innovation and boldness.
What you are seeing is not just a robot. It's an extension of our operational vision. This unit moves autonomously and intelligently through the plant, collecting data, images, sounds, and identifying abnormal patterns in real time.
This initiative represents what operational excellence truly means to us. Betting on technology is no coincidence. It's the result of a culture that promotes continuous improvement, safety, and efficiency.
The most remarkable thing was that in just 7 days we were already up and running. The ease and speed with which the entire system was implemented exceeded our expectations. This marks a before and after in our operations, showing that at Pluspetrol we are a team that anticipates, transforms, and dares to think beyond.
This technology integrates directly with our systems, raising the monitoring standard and ensuring that every decision is backed by accurate information. It's technology in service of operations.
This video was filmed and produced by Pluspetrol. The English translation was later added by ExRobotics. ExRobotics produced the ExR-2 robot shown in the video, which was powered by Energy Robotics software. ExRobotics, rugged, reliable robots.